Fine.
Hello, I'm Daan Velthausz. I'm representing the Amsterdam Living Lab as well as Meraka Research Institute in South Africa. And I'm an owner of my own living lab company in Europe. And I'm a board member of the European Network of Living Labs. And I've been participating in the conference here in Cape Town and entering in discussions about sustainability and also trying to see how funds could be available for the living labs, not only for the individual living labs, but also for the LISA network. And I shared my experiences in the European Network of Living Labs and what we've done overseas over there, as well as in Amsterdam Living Lab, and to see from which different sources we could tap into funds. And I think the lesson that and inspiration I got here is also to see how could we collaborate between the LISA network and the European Network of Living Labs on different themes. For instance, smart cities is a very interesting theme to be engaged. The big cities in Europe like Amsterdam, Barcelona, Helsinki also want to collaborate with cities in South Africa, Cape Town or Pretoria. So we try to see, together with the other members of the European Network of Living Labs, to see how can we make this happen. And the discussions we had the last 2 days were very interesting and promising to see how can we make a step forward. And I was really inspired by the way the R Labs is doing the social media and introducing that to enhance the communities. I think that's a lesson that we can learn in Europe as well about building communities. So I think from both sides we gain if we could collaborate. And I hope looking forward to work with the individual living labs further on, also to expand the living labs into a bigger area in Africa, to see how we can support LISA in a bigger, to make it grow. And I want to see how that can happen.